Question number 12. A particle oscillates with simple harmonic motion SHM of period T. Okay, when you say about SHM, what you do is you always try to put a pendulum. It's easier for us to do it. Okay, which graph shows the variation at time T of the kinetic energy of the particle. So what we do is, let us take a pendulum like this. So this is the mean position, these are the two extremes. So initially kinetic energy is very high, oscillates, which graph shows the variation time of the kinetic, nothing is given over here. Okay, so initially let us say, for example, if the particle is at this point, see, in every way you see kinetic energy is higher, which means the particle is starting from here. Then the kinetic energy keeps on lowering, see here also lowering. So kinetic energy is lowering, which means what? As the particle goes upwards like this. If I start from here, let us see how many times kinetic energy is higher. That will give us a approximation. So first time here, second time when it comes here, once again second time here, and third time it comes over here. So 3 times in one cycle kinetic energy becomes higher, right? Now let us look at this here. See here, kinetic energy is higher, kinetic energy is higher here. Okay, here kinetic energy is becoming negative, which is impossible over here. So though there are 3 times over here, it's impossible. Kinetic energy cannot become negative. Now here you see kinetic energy become negative. This is also not possible. Only these two are possible. Here you see 1 time, 2 times. In a cycle there are only 2 times this is possible. Here you see 1 times, 2 times, 3 times. It's possible 3 times. I hope you understand this. Okay, so what I am looking at is that first thing is I look whether kinetic energy is greater than 0. Kinetic energy is always greater than 0. Why it is greater than 0? Because you know kinetic energy is given by the formula half mv square. M cannot be less than 0. M is always positive. V can be positive, can be negative. If it is positive, it's positive. V square is positive. If it is negative, V square is still positive. So therefore, kinetic energy can never become negative. Okay, is never negative over here. So therefore, these two graphs definitely are incorrect. Now let us look at this. So these two are possible, but here you see. So as according to me, it starts. What is one cycle? One cycle is it starts from here, goes here, and again comes back here, right? So therefore, when it starts from here, first time kinetic energy is higher, right? Half mv square. Mean positions, it's always highest. And after that, when it comes here, kinetic energy becomes 0. Okay, velocity becomes 0. When it comes here, kinetic energy is higher. It comes here, kinetic energy is 0. It comes here, kinetic energy is higher. So therefore, in one full cycle, kinetic energy is higher thrice, right? So therefore, see, you see, kinetic energy is twice here, but here it is thrice over here. So as a result of it, you can always say the kinetic energy. So option D is the right option. Okay.